So what's up, guys, and welcome once again to Forex Success. Guys, I'm going to show you step in the strategy. The step in the most powerful strategy ever, guys. Ever. I repeat, ever. The strategy is very powerful. Very, very powerful in trading step in this. So guys, simply now I will show you the parameters. The first indicator you need for the strategy is the moving average. The moving average period 3, put the shift 0, the method exponential, apply to close. The style is 3 pixel. Then you take color yellow, then you click done for the moving average. Then the next indicator is the moving average again, period 60 this time around, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, the star 3 pixel, the color blue, then you click done. So guys, the next indicator you will need is also a moving average. So you can see we are using 6 indicators for this strategy. 6 indicators. So the third moving average is going to be period 7, guys. Period 7, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. The star is 2 pixel. You use the color red, then you click done. You can see that, guys. The next indicator is the stochastic oscillator, which is the K period 1, D period 1, slow in 1. The price feed, you use low/high, method simple. The main is 1 pixel, signal 1 pixel. Use the color of your screen. My screen is white, so I'm using white. Then for the levels 20, 50, and 80, then you click done. It's very simple, guys. The next indicator is the Ichimoku. The Taken scene 9, Kinju scene 26, and the Seiko span is 52, just as you can see on my screen. So guys, the Taken scene is the 4 pixel. You use the color blue, while the Kinju scene, the up Kumo, down Kumo, and the Chico span, you use 1 pixel for each of them, and use the color of your screen. It's only the Taken sun that should be on a different color. I'm using blue. Use it for better understanding so you can compare. So guys, this is how this strategy works. It works perfectly. It works like, the strategy is very, very powerful, guys. Very powerful strategy for stepping this. So you can see I'm using the strategy right now. I'm using it, and you see how it works. So guys, look, I said, okay, these are the trade I took for stepping this. These are the trade I took for stepping this. I'm taking my profits now. For step in this. Yeah, I just took my profit for stepping this. Yeah, guys, I just took profit for stepping this. Because you guys can see it just reached my take profit, which is the 20 level. So guys, this is how you should use the strategy. This is what you should do. You need to watch out for 3 conditions, guys. 3 conditions, that's what you need to watch out for. The first one is you watch out for this blue moving average to cross above the chart. Watch out for this blue moving average to cross above the chart. Condition 1. Then condition 2, watch out for this line, this moving average, to be above the 80 level, which is the overbought level. That's what to watch out for. The second condition. And the third condition, it's watch out for this red moving average crossing above the yellow moving average for a sell. You understand, guys? I'm talking about for a sell. Red moving average crossing above the yellow moving average, the blue moving average crossing above the chart, and this red moving average being above the 80 level, which is the overbought level. That is what to watch out for a sell position. Okay, so guys, that is exactly what I did. You saw the trade I just closed. Yeah, you saw the trade I just closed. I entered that trade at this point. Yeah, I entered it at this point, at this very level. You can see I entered it at this level. So guys, the strategy works. I believe you saw the trade I just closed. I entered it at this level. As soon as I saw this, I used the 15-minute time frame to analyze my market. So as soon as I saw it crossed above this point, as soon as I saw it crossed above, the blue moving average crossed above, and then I saw the red moving average above the yellow moving average, still at the overbought level, guys, I placed my sell, and look, it came down. You can see I made $24 profit from this trade. So guys, the strategy is very, very powerful. It's powerful. Yeah, it's a very powerful strategy, guys. So this is how you can place your sell when you see the conditions like this. This is 15-minute time frame I'm using. You can use 1 minute, you can use 5-minute time frame for this strategy, but I'm using 15-minute time frame currently. And guys, please use risk management. Manage your risk well. Make sure you trade with good lot size according to your equity. Lot size that your account can hold. Look, it crossed above. It's at the overbought level. The red moving average is above the yellow moving average. And look, guys, it's a sell. You can see that it's a sell. It's sold. So that's how this powerful strategy works. Okay, these are what to watch out for a buy. For a buy, you have to watch out for this blue moving average crossing below the chart, the yellow moving average being above the red moving average, and for this moving average to be at the oversold level. Look, then it's a buy. Very simple and powerful strategy for step index. Yeah, very simple and powerful strategy for step index. So guys, check out many more examples for the strategy. It works. It works. It works. So this is when you should take profit, just as you see on my very own trade. I took profit as soon as it was at the 20 level. You understand? When as soon as it touches the 20, you take your profit. Yeah, you can take profit from the 50 because it's usually make a pullback which might continue till it gets to the 20 level. But as soon as it got to the oversold level, which is the 20, guys, take profit and wait for more signals. So that's it. That's how I would trade stop index. Yeah, so back to the 15-minute time frame. I'm showing you how I trade. You can use 1 minute, you can use 5 minutes, you can use 15 minutes, whatever time frame to trade this strategy. Look, it crossed above, it's sold. Crossing above, it's sold. Look, it's sold at the overbought. First condition, second condition, third, the red moving average is above the yellow moving average. Look, it's sold. Guys, the strategy it's powerful. It works. Look, it works. Let's check out this crossing. It crossed above at the overbought. Red moving average above the yellow moving average. Look, it's sold. You can see that, guys. You can see So I'm just showing you things you need to understand. Look at this point. It crossed above condition 1, condition 2, condition 2. The red moving average have above the yellow moving average, but this is not at the overbought level. It didn't sell. Look, imagine you enter there. This signal, it's not a sure one. So you can see. So that's what I'm talking about, guys. That's what I'm talking about. So all three conditions must be met. Just follow the rules of this strategy and you make money from it. Follow the rules of the strategy, you make money from it. So that's how it is, guys. Follow the rules. Check out this intersection. Look, it crossed above. It crossed below the chart. The yellow moving average above the red moving average at the oversold level. Look, it's a buy. You can see it's a buy. Guys, the strategy is a boom. It works perfectly. Step in the strategy to make money. Step in this powerful strategy. Guys, as soon as you obey the three conditions, guys, the strategy works. Yeah, it works. As far as you obey the three conditions, the strategy works. That's how it works, guys. It crosses above the red moving average, above the yellow moving average. It's a sell. You can see. So guys, use proper risk management when trading. Yeah, use proper risk management when trading. So good luck, guys, and once again, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more videos. Make sure to turn on notification, guys. Yeah, I'm going to be dropping a strategy soon for Volatility 75. I'll show you a way to crack Volatility 75 and make money out of it. So thanks, guys, for watching. Yeah.